Hello, children. In this video, we will continue the same story, Man Overboard, Part 3. So, in the Part 2, we have seen that uncle he fell into the water and the girl asked for help to everyone and the rescue team came to the spot and they went into the water to save him, isn't it? So let's continue this story and what's going to happen. Okay, so let's move to the story now. So before that, let us all learn the glossary from the part 3. Okay, children. So we have to learn everything, okay, because they have given lot of vocabularies. We have to know their meanings, okay. We have to keep that in mind, okay. So that's the main intention of this lesson to make you all to learn a lot of vocabularies and their meanings, okay. So waist அப்படின்னா இடுப்புன்னு அர்த்தம், okay. Jiffy அப்படின்னா கணம், மட்டர்னா முணுமுணுக்கிறது, I was muttering myself, and throng அப்படின்னா கூட்டம் கூடுறது, ஐ அப்படின்னா எஸ், ஓல்டு இங்கிலீஷில் ஐன்னு சொன்னாங்கன்னா இப்போ அதுக்கு உண்டான மீனிங் எஸ். நாட் அப்படின்னா தலையாட்டுறது, ஐ வாஸ் நாடிங் மை ஹேண்ட், ஓகே. ரீஸ்டோர்னா திரும்பி கொடு. எட்ஜ் விளிம்பு எட்டி பார்க்கறது, எட்ஜ், ஓகே. ஆர்டிஃபிஷியல்னா செயற்கையான. ரெஸ்பிரேஷன் அப்படின்னா சுவாசம். த்ரூ அப்படின்னா முடிந்தது. ஆக்சுவலாக த்ரூனா இப்படி தான் சொல்ல முடியாது, ஆனால் த்ரூன்றது இந்த இந்த காதியில் வந்து முடிந்தது அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். ஸ்னீக் அப்படின்னா நழுவி போகிறது, ஓகே. ஸ்கரி, ஸ்கரினா அவசரமாக. கான்ஷியஸ் அப்படின்னா சுய நினைவு. கோசி அப்படின்னா வசதியாக, கம்ஃபர்டபுள். ட்ரௌசி தூங்கி விழுறது தான் இங்கிலீஷில் ட்ரௌசி அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். டோஸ்ட் ஆஃப் அப்படின்னா அரை தூக்கம். ரீகலெக்ட் அப்படின்னா நினைவு கூர்றது. ஈகர்லினா ஆர்வமாக. ஸ்வீப் ஆஃப் அப்படின்னா தூக்கினார். ஸ்னிக்லி ஸ்னிக்லி கன்சிதமாக. ஹக் அப்படின்னா கட்டி அணைக்கிறது. பேட்னா தட்டி கொடுக்கறது. அனானிமஸ் அப்படின்னா ஒரு ஒரு மனதாக. ஓகே, வேர்டிக்ட்னா தீர்ப்பு. ஓகே, so listen children, we have to learn all these vocabularies, okay. Okay, so let's move to the story now. I borrowed the captain's binocular. Now I could see the rescue operation clearly. So actually, we have seen that in the section, the part two. The captain was seeing the rescue operation with the help of binoculars, isn't it? So the girl could not see what was happening in the water. So she borrowed the captain's binocular, and now she could see the rescue operation clearly. Okay, the crew in the rescue boats threw a strong rope to the two sailors in the sea and shouted, "Catch!" Both of them were good swimmers and soon had caught hold of the rope. Okay, so the rescue team threw a strong rope to the people, to the rescue team, into the water. They grabbed the rope and the rescue team shouted at them that catch the rope and catch the rope. Both of them were good swimmers. The rescue teams fell into the water. No, those two rescue people were very good in swimming. So they grabbed the rope and soon they got hold of the rope. Then, with powerful stroke, they swam towards Uncle. So, after grabbing that, the rope, they were going towards Uncle to save him, to catch him, to take him back to the ship, isn't it? So that's what their plan. And one of the caught hold of him while the other tied the rope around his twist. Okay, one of the person was holding him, and the remaining another person were you know they were tying the rope around அங்கிள் ட்விஸ்ட், ஓகே. அங்கிள் ட்விஸ்ட் இடுப்பை சுற்றி கயிறு கட்டிட்டு இருந்தாங்க. ஒருத்தர் பிடிக்கிறாரு, இன்னொருத்தர் கை கட்டிட்டு இருக்காரு. வித் அங்கிள்ஸ் பிட்வீன் தம் அண்ட் த ரோப் ரெஸ்கியூ, த sailors swam back to the lifeboat. After that, they both took uncle back to the lifeboat. Okay, the rescue team in the boats leaned over and heaved the three men into it. In a jiffy, the boat were heading back to the ship. Okay, so the rescue team saved uncle and they took him back to the lifeboat, and now the lifeboat is coming towards the ship. Okay, finally what happens is the rescue team saved uncle as he fell into the water, isn't it? Actually, he was sick. Because of that reason, he fell into the water. Finally, the rescue team saved her. Thank God, muttered the captain, making the sign of a cross again. Okay, they have managed to save him. He turned to the passengers, throwing the trails. Please do not crowd around the man when he is up, when he is brought up. Okay, after this incident, the captain was praying to God and thanking God, and he was muttering himself. Okay, And finally, what happens is he's telling all the passengers on the deck not to crowd around him, not to crowd around him when he is brought up. Okay, யாருமே அவர் சுத்தி நிக்காதீங்க அவர் மேல வந்த பிறகு, because it's not good for the patient. He will need immediate medical care. Then he saw the ship's doctor standing with a couple of nurse. Yeah, stretcher was also being brought closer to the railing. So what happens is finally the doctor of the ship came to the spot with some nurse, couple of nurse, uh, and the stretchers were also ready to carry him, to take him. Okay, you can see the picture that is called a stretch, which is using to carry the patients to hospital or to the room or wherever it is. Okay. Doctor, is everything ready for the patient? The captain asked. The captain is asking the doctor, Doctor, everything's okay? Yeah, have you brought everything? Is everything ready? He's asking like that. Yes, yes, Captain, nodded the doctor. Doctor is nodding his head that, yes, ex-captain, everything is okay. The captain moved away to restore order on the ship. I edged close to the doctor and asked, "What will you do to him, doctor? Will he be all right?" So after the captain has gone from the place, has left the place, the girl is asking, Doctor, what are you going to do to him? What are you going to do him? என்ன பண்ண போறீங்க அவர்ட்ட? Okay, will he be all right? அவருக்கு சரியாயிடுமா அப்படின்னு கேக்குது அந்த பொண்ணு. Yes, I think so. Yeah, சரியாயிடும். All the water will have to be pumped out of him. What the doctor says is, first we have to take out the water from his stomach. Okay, first we have to pump out the water from his stomach. Then we can give him the normal treatment. He will have to be given artificial respiration and kept warm. So the doctor says that we have to keep him. We have to give him artificial respiration. அவருக்கு வந்து இயற்கையா சுவாசத்தை கொடுக்கணும். And then we have to keep him warm because he fell into the water. No, he must be wet, he must be soaked. So the doctor says we have to keep him warm, and then we will give him the artificial respirations to breathe well. Okay. How do you pump the water out? I asked. The girl is asking the doctor, how will you pump the water out of him? We put him on the stomach. We put him on his stomach and massage him until he brings it all up. He replied. The doctor says that we'll put him on his stomach. Our kupra போட்டுருவோம். Then uh, you know, we will massage him on his stomach so that the water will automatically come out of his stomach through mouth. Okay. As soon as the rescue team reached the ship, Uncle was placed on the stretcher and rushes to the hospital room. The captain then came to me and said, "Run along, and now play with your friends." After that, the doctors took him to the to the hospital immediately, or with the help of stretchers. And the captain tells the girl that, "Girl, now you can go and play with your friends." The captain is telling the author of this story. I am busy, but I will send you when I'm through. Okay, that captain says that I'm busy right now. When my work is everything done, I will call you. Then you can come back to me. I might even have a surprise for you. Even I will have some surprise for you. So you just go and play now. I will call you then. Then you can come and meet me because I have a surprise for you. Who says? The captain of the ship. When he turned away, I quickly sneaked into the hospital room to see what they were doing to the patient. The girl was very curious to see what the doctors were going to do to the patient. The two nurses were scurrying to the fro with trays full of medicines and syringes. Okay, when she went into the sneak அர்த்தம் அதாவது நழுவி உள்ள போறது. Okay, so when she went into the hospital room, she saw two nurses were carrying the medicines and the syringes on his tray in their hand. Another was rushing off with uncle's wet cloth. Another nurse was rushing with the uncle's wet cloth. Wet cloth நனைஞ்சு போன துணி எடுத்துட்டு போறாங்க. I stopped her and asked if uncle was conscious. The girl asked one of the nurses that whether if uncle was conscious, அவருக்கு நினைவு வந்துருச்சா அப்படின்னு கேக்குறா. Not yet, she replied. The nurse says that, not yet. இன்னும் அவர் வந்து கண் விழிக்கல அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. பட் ஹி இஸ் பெட்டர் நவ். ஹி இஸ் பெட்டர் நவ். ஹி ஷுட் ரீகெயின் கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ் இன் a little while. After a little while, the patient will open his eyes. Then he will talk to us. The ship was still rolling. So I couldn't play any games. Yes, the ship was still rolling because there were a lot of air. There were air blowing, isn't it? So that the ship was here rolling here and there, so that she couldn't play any games on the deck. I went and sat in a cozy chair in the lounge and started reading a storybook. As she couldn't play any game on the deck, she went into a room to read, and he sat on a cozy chair and she started reading a storybook. I was feeling drowsy and I must have dozed off. She felt like she was sleeping, she was completely tired, exhausted, so she started sleeping. Then the next thing she know was somebody say, "Wake up, child, you are Vasanta, isn't it? Aren't you? The captain wants to see you in his cabin." So when she was sleeping on the cozy chair, somebody was calling her, "Wake up, wake up, wake up, child. You are Vasanta, right? Aren't you?" நீதானே அப்படி சொல்லிட்டு கேட்குறாங்க. எஸ், த கேப்டன் வாண்ட்ஸ் டு see you in his கேபின் ஒன்று வந்து கேப்டன் பார்க்கணும் அவருடைய ரூமில் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு அந்த அந்த பர்சன் சொல்கிறார். ஐ லுக்ட் அப் டு see a sailor standing before me. Yes, she could see someone is calling her, and it took me a minute to recollect the rescue operation and the captain telling me, I will call you afterwards. Okay. So it took me a minute to recollect the rescue operation. Yes, she could remember. No, the captain told her once that he told her to go and play with her friends, isn't it? After that, he told her that he had a surprise for her, isn't it? So now she came to know everything about it. Now she realized everything. Now she remembered everything. I followed the officer eagerly. Yes, she followed the officer eagerly who called her, and he left me outside the captain's door, saying, Go right inside." After that, the man tells her that you just go inside the cabin. Okay, I'm going to leave. You just go. Who says? The officer. I knocked. I knocked and entered. The captain was standing in the middle of the room. When she entered into the room, the captain was standing in the middle of the room. When he saw me, he came forward and literally swept me off my feet. Yes, when the captain came forward to him, and he lifted her up. Okay, he lifted her up. He was still smiling when he put me down. Yes, the captain was smiling continuously until he puts her down. Until he puts her down. You will have plenty to tell your friends. Yeah, now close your eyes. Now the captain tells her that now you have got plenty to tell your friends, isn't it? Because a lot of things have happened in our ship because a man fell into the water and we rescued him, isn't it? There is a lot of thing you have got to tell your friends, isn't it? So now you just close your eyes. I'm going to show you something. I did so. The girl did so. அதே மாதிரி கண்ணை மூடிக்கிட்டா. Seconds later, I heard him say, "See what I have got for you. Open your eyes. See what I have got for you." The captain is telling her like that. And on opening my eyes, I saw a big brown box. On it was written with the best compliments of the captain, Lindsay. So when she opened her eyes, there was a present in the captain's hand. In the captain's hand, what was written on the present was, "With the best compliments of the captain, Lindsay." ஒரு நல்ல ஒரு வாழ்த்து சொல்ற மாரி ஒரு எழுதி இருந்துச்சு. He took the box and eagerly opened it. She took the box and eagerly opened it. "What a lovely ship!" I exclaimed. "Does this really belong to me? Can I keep it?" When she opened the present, there was a small ship doll. Okay, small ship toy. Okay, it was looking so beautiful, so that she is asking him that, "Does this belong to me? எனக்கா இது?" அப்படி கேட்கிறா. "Yes, can I keep it?" வச்சுக்கலாமா அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு she's asking the captain. Lying snugly on a velvet backing was a most beautiful model of the ship. Yes, it was looking so beautiful. It was covered with a velvet cloth. The small ship was looking so beautiful in her hand. It was so inscript. Yes, BISN and Co. SS Rajula. Okay, this is the name of the ship. Okay, so it was printed on the toy. Okay. I placed the box carefully on the table. She placed the box carefully on the table. Then Then she threw her hands around the captain and hugged and kissed him. So what happens is finally she hugged the captain and kissed him. He patted my cheek and smiled as he was lift the box and walked happily out of this room. Okay, so yeah, he patted அவர் வந்து தட்டி கொடுக்குறாரு. You know, smiled at him. He was smiling at her, isn't it? And he was left the box and walked happily out of his room. Finally, she left the house. She left the room happily with smile on her face. I proudly showed my present to everyone I met. Finally, the girl showed her present given by the captain to everyone she met. Okay. See what the captain has given me. Isn't it lovely? She's telling everyone proudly that look at the present given by the captain. Doesn't look lovely? Isn't it lovely? அப்படி சொல்லிட்டு கேட்குறான். Yes, indeed, was the anonymous verdict. I was the happiest person on the board that day. She says that I was the happiest person on that board that day. Okay. So children, so this is what the lesson. So what we have to learn is there is no moral of the story, but we have to learn a lot of vocabularies and their meanings. Okay, that's what we have to learn. Okay, that's why this lesson is huge lesson, isn't it? So we can gather a lot of vocabularies. We can understand the sentence formations. We can do everything, right? So keep in mind and learn all the vocabularies and develop your vocabularies. Okay, wish you all the best.